Getting the right settings in Fortnite can make the difference between a win and a loss. Whether you're on a high-end PC aiming for a huge frame rate or a lower-end machine trying to get stable frames, we've got the perfect setup for you. Here's the ultimate guide to configuring Fortnite for the best FPS and graphics in 2025. Step 1. Choosing your rendering mode. This is the single most important setting for your performance. If you're on a low-end PC or prioritizing the absolute highest FPS and lowest input delay, choose Performance Mode. This will strip down a lot of the visual effects for a much smoother experience. If you have a modern gaming PC with a new GPU, DirectX 12 is your best bet. It offers the best balance of graphics and performance. It has received major stability updates in 2025 and is now the recommended choice for most high-end players. DirectX 11, stick to this only if you encounter crashes or issues with the other two options. Step 2. The best in-game settings. Now let's go through the rest of the settings for the best competitive experience. Window mode. Always set this to full screen for the lowest input lag. Resolution. Keep this at your monitor's native resolution for the clearest picture. Frame rate limit. Set this to unlimited to get the most frames possible, or cap it just above your monitor's refresh rate if you're experiencing screen tearing. VSync. Turn this off to avoid input delay. Shadows. Turn off shadows, have no competitive advantage, and are one of the biggest drains on your FPS. Textures. Set to low or medium. Set this to low for maximum FPS or medium if you have a decent GPU and want a better looking game. Effects and post-processing. Set both to low to reduce visual clutter and boost performance during big fights. Visualize sound effects. Turn this on. This gives you a visual cue for footsteps and gunfire, which is a massive competitive advantage. Step 3. System level optimizations. Finally, do a few things outside the game. Update your drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are always up to date. NVIDIA Reflex. If you have a NVIDIA card, turn on NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency plus Boost in your settings for a significant reduction in input delay. Power plan. Set your PC's power plan to high performance. Following these steps will give you a setup that's optimized for both performance and visibility, giving you the best chance to win in Fortnite.